Hello. Welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. So this video is about Accugen, OCGN, which is exploding during day hours today and also after hours. And I would like to talk about the price target, updates and how to trade. So this is purely my opinion, and I run a channel called 10x Investor Education. So our goal of this channel is how to pick stocks that can grow easily to 10x. So Accugen is one of them. I bought around 40 or 50 cents at the beginning, and since then I haven't sold much and I bought few thousand stocks. So as you can see here, Accugen is already 10x. So what I wanted to go through is, okay, so this is not advice to buy Accugen at these prices or anything. This is purely I want to know what's happening Accugen news. So do not buy based on because you saw this video. Please click the like button and subscribe for notifications. I have made several videos on Accugen on similar stocks, and I also on Twitter known as RK10X Investing. So let's get into the details. So I have, as I said, this is 10x Investor Education. I have made at least 3 videos so far. This is 4th video on Covaxin, Accugen and in general vaccines. And I invested tons of money in a lot of other vaccine stocks when they were very early. So I am very close follower of lot of vaccine stocks, and also you can look at other vaccine stocks videos. Okay, so the first news is, so this is not this one. Okay, this is New York Times article. So this is latest article. It's time to trust China and Russia's vaccines. Okay, so I will not get into the details, but the summary of that article is basically saying is these vaccines have very good results. So China, Russia, India have very similar vaccines based on inactivated virus, and some of these vaccines have efficacy rate of 85 to 90%. So technically we don't know Covaxin stock ratings, efficacy ratings, since phase 3 is not officially released, but at least other vaccine stocks we know almost, like here this one is from Russia, so it's like 91%. So the reason the stock, if you look at Accugen after hours, it almost touched, it went like 60% during day hours, and also it went almost $8.50 at some point. So, and regular volume is itself is 275 million shares. Okay, so this is like 5 times the average volume, and if you take after hours volume, it probably, I think it's like 500 million shares. So what is happening? Accugen is actually already a $1 billion company. So I would like to get into the details, and as day by day progressing, there is a positive data coming for Accugen, and which is basically Covaxin. So the whole idea is, if Covaxin already is given to hundreds and thousands of people in India, and it is being supplied to a lot of other countries. So once they release the data, Accugen can take this information and take it to FDA and see what is the process to get approval. And if Covaxin gets approved in US, and then if the sales happen for Covaxin, then Accugen will get 45% of the profit, which we will show you in a minute. But so this is the New York Times article. So as a saying, day by day there is more positive news coming for this inactivated virus from both China, Russia and as well as India. So COVID-19 vaccine update. Bharat Biotech Covaxin is effective against UK variant of coronavirus, says ICMR. So this is ICMR. So they do not publish usually wrong data unless they have a lot of data. So this is the biggest news. If this Covaxin works, there is a miracle for a lot of countries, not just India. The other thing you need to understand is India rejects Pfizer COVID vaccine. So multiple reasons, I don't want to get the details. So the only vaccine that is available in India is Covishield, which is from AstraZeneca, and Covaxin. And I know personally a lot of doctors, ministers, everyone is taking Covaxin. So I don't doubt Covaxin being not a powerful vaccine. I certainly agree. We are just have to waiting for the official data. So Bharat Biotech signs agreements with US, Brazil to export, outsource Covaxin production. So for India itself, Bharat Biotech producing millions of doses and it's exporting to other countries. For US, if it needs, it cannot. So basically, they are outsourcing. If US want to produce, Accugen can take over the production and produce those vaccines. So as you can see here, US is tied with Accugen. Similarly, Brazil is tied with another company. So this is really good news, not just these countries, but India is supplying to a lot of countries. So okay, so this is the one of the main factor for this vaccine can be very successful, and there's high chance if the data is good and if this is true, it's easy to get FDA approval in my view. So if you look at exactly what is triggering the stock price momentum, so if you look at here, it used to be like 3 or 4 before, now it is a 9 tips ranking rating and a lot of news. And if you look at here, the details, so 2-3 days back, the analyst upgraded the ratings of a Bharat Biotech, and right now it's strong buy. Okay, so because all 4 analysts are saying buy, that's why strong buy. And if you look at here, Roth Capital target price is 8, Ramakant price is from HC Wainwright $4.50, and other people have target price of $4. So this is 3 months rating. This is before any vaccine, so I would not consider this is being valid at all in this context. But so even if you average it out, it comes between like $6. So will it stay at $6? Will it go to $10? So $800 million market cap is not a big deal, but if you look at it here, for Accugen, that's huge market cap. So I think it's hitting $8, and it will be very interesting to see how much is going to hit. So I sold a couple of shares of mine at these prices, but I am having still huge chunk of Accugen stock. If you look at other news, Accugen raised to by HC Wainwright Bharat Biotech. So there is news coming up every day, and also if you follow the Twitter of Covaxin as well, so there is Brazil seeks to buy 30 million COVID shots, okay, and also a lot of positive data coming from Twitter that's showing that everybody is slowly accepting Covaxin. And initially there was a lot of hesitation because phase 3 results were not released and people were given, government gave emergency authorization and people were not happy. But end of the day, people are taking vaccine because they are in desperation, and then there are no major adverse effects seen so far. So that's really good news. So if you look at here, center issues letter of comfort to Bharat Biotech to 45 lakhs, which means 4.5 million doses. So central government in India actually ordering like millions of vaccines for Bharat Biotech. So if the Covaxin is not effective, then they won't spend this much money and hesitation. So I do not doubt the efficacy of the Covaxin. As you can see here, after having received the government purchase order of 55 lakh doses, first batch of vaccines going to different cities in India. And also if you look at here, out of this 45 lakhs, lot of the countries will get Mauritius, Philippines, Myanmar and all that. So India, Russia vaccines will be supplied across the world. And if those countries haven't tried seriously for FDA approval, so but with Accugen, with their presence in US, with their experts, that they already formed a group of people to go and try for FDA approval. And then because Accugen, basically the price and the price of the stock depends on if they can sell it and then get the profit. So if they get FDA approval, I think it's more than worth $5-6 or even $8. So it will be very interesting to see how it is going to go. So if you look at here, for example, Vaxarta, which is also trying a tablet based COVID vaccine. So if you look at 5-day chart, so they stock pumped 150% just 2 days, 3 days back, and they're, as soon as they got results which was not good, no efficacy, so then the stock price went down by 70%. So this is, I don't see this kind of risk for Accugen. I can say a stock price can go down by 20-30%, but the average price, I think it will be stand anywhere between at least $5-6, and if he's going to stay at $8, or even if it's going to go to $10, so it is very risky to buy the stock at those prices. So I'm not buying new stock at these prices, but at the same time I'm not selling the current stock I have. I'm holding on to the stock. So this is the news about recent Accugen and Covaxin. I will follow over weekend what's happening, and also I'll give you an update on the video. So hopefully you like the video. Please click the like button, and please wait for the next update on Covaxin and Accugen. Thank you.